This is Aura, a luxury real estate portal for high net worth buyers. It has a working database, live filters, and VIP access. What you are seeing is the winning output of a blind AI test. One of these three tools is a trap. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one and why. We gave 3 AI builders the exact same test. Identical PRD, 0 follow-up prompts, first pass results only. Let's see what they actually built.
Let's put Framer AI to the test. Interestingly, the AI acts like a junior designer here, asking clarifying questions before it even touches the canvas. To keep this fair against Bolt and Lovable, I skipped the questions and gave it just the PRD. Nobody likes a loading screen. Let's speed this up 10x and get right to the first render. First render, stunning. It completely nailed the dark theme and high-end typography. But looking past the shiny hero image, we have issues. The site is incredibly short and lacks depth. Worse, there is absolutely no header navigation. How is a user supposed to browse? It's a fundamental UX failure. Down in the VIP section, the request access button has no email input field. It completely misses the mark for lead generation. And it gets worse. Clicking a property page reveals sparse content and no way to go back. No navigation, no logo link. A total dead end.
The build took just 4 minutes and 26 seconds, using 90 out of 1,000 credits. While the speed and visuals are undeniably mind-blowing, this is a functional disaster. It provides a beautiful wrapper, but you absolutely need a human expert to make it actually work.
Alright, let's put Bolt.new under the microscope. We ran the exact same heavy prompt for our premium real estate portal, Aura. Let's talk fiction. Generation took 9 minutes, but getting a functional preview, 27 minutes. Constant infrastructure struggles, timeouts, and container errors completely break the rapid iteration flow state. Then there's the resource drain. This single run chewed through 101,000 credits. That's 10% of a 1 million credit ceiling. The cost of iteration here is simply too steep for casual trial and error. But we have to give Bolt its due. Once stabilized, the output was staggering. It didn't just spit out a static mockup, it built a structurally sound prototype that perfectly nailed the requested architectural digest aesthetic. More impressively, it executed the complex logic. It built the gated off-market library, working sign-up flows, a personalized dashboard, and state-aware inquiry forms. It essentially wired a complete React application. The final verdict? Bolt is remarkably capable of handling complex logic, delivering massive depth. However, the platform's infrastructure is buckling under its own weight. It's a powerhouse, but currently heavily offset by severe platform friction and a massive credit cost.
New here? Subscribe, like, and comment below. I test AI tools extensively so you don't have to. Your support helps this channel grow and keeps these videos coming.
Alright, we ran the exact same luxury real estate prompt through Lovable AI, and the difference is night and day. Instead of just throwing pictures on a canvas, Lovable instantly maps out a full stack plan with database schemas and routing. Watch the build. It doesn't just write code, it auto-debugs. When it hit TypeScript errors halfway through, it caught them, patched the code, and kept moving. Testing the live app. Look at the top. We have a complete header navigation. No dead ends here. Clicking View Residences opens a working search page with functional bedroom and price filters. And here's where Lovable destroys the competition, the VIP access flow. It's not a fake button, it leads to real authentication. You create an account, log in, and it actually gates the content, unlocking a secret property library and a custom dashboard. The build took 11 minutes and 9 seconds, costing just 6.2 out of 10 daily credits. Framer was faster, but gave us a broken preview. Lovable gave us a fully functional web app. Hands down, Lovable is the clear winner.
So here's the verdict. Framer scores a gorgeous but broken. Bolt scores a 3, powerful but painfully unstable. And Lovable wins outright with a 4.5.
That's the system. Build it once, let it earn on loop. I'll see you in the next one.